iSales, which is probably our flagship of the company, and it's the product that really began it all, is a very, very powerful tool. And it works in such a way that it does a number of different things. It owes a lot to what the call centers do in business, but at the same time it's something totally unique that way. What it does is it allows the user an easy way to communicate and keep track of information as he goes. And that is really the key to it, is that the information is gathered at every step of the way. And other tools that are out there from other of our competitors and everything just don't have that. It's usually after the end of the day they fill in the reports and they put in whatever they think they need to put in and don't put in anything that takes them too much time. Where we don't believe that that should be the way, because we want to have all the information. So that to us is really one of the key things with the software. So what we've done is that it works on one of the keywords, and the word you're going to hear from us quite a bit is dispositions, and we believe in the word dispositions. And what that means really is every facet of your conversation, every contact that you have with that client, we want to attach a disposition to it. So we learn everything about that client, and when you have a group of those clients, you can be able to gather that information and pull different campaigns, and it's an extremely powerful tool, and we're very proud of it. When you see the system in operation, you're going to see these dispositions, and they will become how you will grow sales. And we know that if you utilize our system, you're going to grow your sales immediately, because you're going to get more contacts. You're going to be able to really mine your database in a level that maybe you've never been able to do or even thought possible before. So that's sort of the parts of the iSales system. Another fact is the document management system that goes with it, which is key, because what we do with that is it's stored into your contact manager, and we believe we have one of the best contact managers, where you're going to see history that's from every email attached to a client, every fax that you've sent to a client, every SMS that you've sent to a client, and so much more. It is amazing. So it's everything in a nutshell, and we know in today's day and age that people move and change positions on a fairly regular basis. Well, your clients don't necessarily change, your people do, but we want to make sure we maintain the same level of information all the time, and we've done a really good job on that. I'm very proud of all of our team for doing that. It's an amazing tool. The other kind of amazing thing about our system is we have a mobile app for it. And the way the mobile app works is that it interconnects with your calls. You actually can do your calls right from your cell phone, but it's programmed like a telemarketing type of system, where you get your calls, you get a voice in your ear that says, hey, your next call, and you're calling so-and-so, and it allows you to do that. So it maximizes your times, keeping safety in mind, and at the same time allows you to be more efficient at your job and have your staff more efficient at the job. But another neat thing that system does is that it automatically puts your call and puts it back to speech to text, and so that is on your contact manager, everything that you've discussed. And so you'll be able to keep notes automatically. So whether you come back at the end of the day or whatever, it'll remind you exactly what happened. You edit whatever you need to edit, but it's, for the most part, you don't have to do anything. It's done for you. Another important thing that's a manager's thing that they tend to like is they always want to know where our success is, and as a company. So they want to be able to find what their sales staff are doing. So if a sales staff has a meeting at 1 o'clock and their general meetings are, say, in a half hour, and at an hour or a half hour, they're going to get a text message that says, how'd the meeting go? He would write a code, whatever the code that the company chooses, and he just presses 1, and it puts it back into the system automatically. He's already recorded what success or not success that he's had during that meeting. The fact is now he's immediately updated. He doesn't have to go back to the office after and update his information. It's done for him right then and there. Efficiency is everything, and that's why this the iSales sales generator is going to be huge, because it has efficiencies over efficiencies. It is the most efficient system on the market.